Broker Tools gives your brokerage powerful capabilities. Training helps your agents turn those capabilities into real results. Whether you're onboarding new agents or helping experienced ones sharpen their skills, RPR offers learning resources built to support your team. Start with RPR learning tutorials for agents. Like this series, these short step by step videos help agents understand core RPR features and apply them in their day to day business. They're ideal for onboarding, quick refreshers, or short segments during sales meetings. RPR also offers live webinars that go deeper into topics like prospecting, pricing, and building stronger client presentations. These sessions help agents build confidence, stay current, and get more value from the platform. And if your brokerage prefers to train from within, the RPR Trainer Certification Program makes that possible. With a simple online certification process, members of your team can become certified to teach RPR classes inside your organization. Together, these resources help your agents build confidence, strengthen client conversations, and make better use of the tools available to them. And when your agents get stronger, your brokerage does too. To explore learning resources for your agents, visit rpr.me/learning. And if someone on your team is ready to lead training internally, learn more about the RPR Certified Trainer Program at rpr.me/trainers.